Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. Sandile finally learns that Palisa has been lying to him all this time. So Soga talked to him and said to him, Sandile, what you doing? You putting E tribe at risk? What are you going to do? Who's going to support your family? And blah blah blah. And now Sandile was like, I hear you. I'm gonna go and apologize to Nkosi. And then Usaga's like, actually, you know what? I think if you really want to help this girl, just go find his father and try speaking to him and get him to forgive her and like continue supporting her, like paying her rent and stuff because she's saying she's struggling. And then Usandi actually goes to speak to Palisa's father, only to find that Palisa's father is still paying for Palisa's rent and Palisa's business is doing very well. Sandile comes home devastated, actually disappointed that she's been picking the wrong horse, and tells Usoga about this whole thing. And then Usoga actually, as in, I regret, you did tell me, and then actually goes to confront Upalisa. Upalisa is not even remorseful, says that she did not ask Sandile to play hero. Actually, Sandile was just a casualty. He was not the target. She just wanted to take the best-selling artist from Nkosi just to see Collective Crush. So Sandile was not the target, just that Sandile played along, but yena kamcelanga. Sandile was like, you know what? I see, like everyone warned me about you, but I just turned a blind eye because I wanted to believe you're a good person. But now I see, because actually when I thrive, when people are actually in misery. On the other hand, Maria continues with this thing with my auditions Mtwana, while Mampo did not approve. And then when Mampo found out, she was furious, saying, Mama, how can you do this? She tried to show her video of Ubusi saying she did so well. And then at the end, she's like, okay, fine, maybe you can continue. Please send me that video. How Mampo is now in. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.